Hey there, plant lovers! Welcome to Plantito Garden, your go-to spot for all things plants, care tips, fun facts, and so much more. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your green journey, you've found the perfect place to grow your knowledge. And maybe a few new plants along the way. I'm Will, your friendly neighborhood gardener. And today, I'm here to introduce you to some of our amazing team members who make Plantito Garden come to life. Let's start with the expert in plant care, which is me, a young gardener who's all about nurturing plants and taking care of them like their family. From proper watering to soil tips, I got it all covered. If you need advice on how to make your plants thrive, you're going to love my expertise. And next up, we've got someone who is deeply connected to plant culture, the one and only Hope. A true farm woman with a heart for everything that grows from the earth. Hope has a deep love for plant culture and all the old-school farming wisdom that comes with it. She knows how to work with nature in the most sustainable way and always has the best tips for growing your own food, flowers, and so much more.
There's nothing like the joy of seeing a plant bloom or bearing fruit, especially when you've nurtured it from the very start. I can't wait to share all the little secrets of farm life with you.
And finally, meet the most unique member of our team, Finn, a recycled robot who Plantito Garden actually saved from the junkyard. Finn has a passion for plant facts and entertainment. You can always count on Finn to share cool and quirky plant trivia, as well as fun facts that'll blow your mind.
Greetings, humans. I am Finn, the plant-loving robot with a love for all things botanical. From plant history to the science of photosynthesis, I can't wait to share mind-blowing facts and plant-related fun with you all.
So whether you're here for expert plant care, fun facts, or just a bit of plant entertainment, you've come to the right place. Come join us as we explore the world of plants together. And remember, stay curious, stay green, and always keep growing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Plantito Garden family. See you in the next video.